Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Looking to the US, equities have continued their sell-off, setting the US 500 and Wall Street on course for their biggest two-day percentage drop in 10 months. The US 500 declined 27 points to close on 1,998.58, while the US Tech 100 slid 41 points to close on 4,199.25. The Wall Street declined 109 points to close on 17,134. The heads of the Bank of England and US Federal Reserve have pulled out of the European Central Bank's flagship economics conference to focus on soothing market jitters at home. Looking to commodities, Brent crude posted a successive negative day, losing 40 cents a barrel to close on $47.51. While gold also saw a turn from its mass gains on Friday, dropping $8 to close on $1,324.80. In Europe, sterling has bounced off its lowest point in more than 3 decades, steadying a little after turmoil triggered by Britain's decision to leave the EU. UK shares started trading in London on a firmer note, while futures markets were signalling opening gains for US stocks. After a battering following the EU referendum result, the FTSE 100 opened up 1.9%, with financial stocks making prominent gains. The UK 250 share index, considered a better benchmark of the underlying UK economy, was 2.9% higher. The pound rose 0.5% on the session to 1.3287, reducing its decline against the dollar since the start of trade on Friday, when the result of the referendum became clear, to 10.7%. European leaders are keen to push ahead with formal negotiations, and Downing Street expects Mr Cameron's successor to come under heavy pressure the moment they take office. With populist and anti-EU sentiment rising across Europe, the Prime Minister is also expected to warn that many British voters felt alienated by a remote elite in Brussels, pursuing an apparently relentless project of integration. On Wednesday, Mr Cameron will be asked to leave the summit, while the remaining 27 members hold informal talks on how to approach Brexit negotiations and how to stop them stretching out over many years. The Germany 30 added 17 points yesterday to close on 9,350.8, and the UK 100 added 49 points to close on 6,007.7. In today's corporate news, the UK has lost its AAA credit rating as S&P agency downgrade the UK to AA rating due to the credit risk after the Brexit results. Today's economic data in focus at 9 a.m. Eurozone ECB President Mario Draghi speaks on the future of monetary policy, and at 1:30 in the US GDP final estimates for the first quarter are released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.